How to use mobile proxies with LightningProxies extension. To set up your mobile plan and proxy, start by accessing the dashboard and selecting your desired mobile plan. Next, click on Generate Proxy and adjust your sticky session settings. Open a new tab and launch the LightningProxies extension. In the extension, click on Add New Proxy and name the profile you just created. Choose between HTTP or SOX5 for the proxy type. Return to the generator to adjust your country settings, then click on Update Settings. Copy the host and port, and paste them into the required fields in the extension. Additionally, copy the username and password from your proxy session. Go back to the extension page and paste the username and password into their respective fields. Finally, click on Save Update and you're all set.